Alright, I'm going to replace the alternator on my 2001 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel. It has two batteries, so I disconnected that battery and that battery's negative terminal. And then to release it, the tension, all you have to do is put a 1/2 inch bar on it, and that should release, push it to the left, should release the tension enough to get the belt over the pulley, and that releases it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to undo the connection right there, okay? So I detached the cable from the back. That's a 10mm, and this is all cruddy. And then the electrical connection, you push down on that little tab and it should pop right up. Now we just got to remove the 3 bolts holding it, and we should go from there. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is on there tight. There we go. That is on there tight, man. That's tight. Those are tight. Okay. Get those out. And then the alternator should just come right out. There it is. Let's put the new one on. Alright, I got this new remanufactured one, and we're just going to put it back in the same spot. It should fit. There we go. And we'll get those bolts tightened in there. Okay, now we're going to put the wires back on. I mounted it, tightened these down. I cleaned off that terminal end a little bit. And then now I'm just going to put the screw back on it with the supplied. We'll tighten that down. And it fits in that little hole. And then this part should just snap right down in here. Like that until you hear a click. And then the belt, you just tighten it up. Go back, and it should just sit right there like that. Okay, and then you're pretty much done. Reconnect the negative, start her up, and hopefully you know, you'll have power again. Okay, that's it. Take care.